Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a full review of this ultra-luxury six-wheel custom GMC van, a vehicle that looks less like transportation and more like a private jet on wheels. If you love bold design, massive road presence, and next-level interior luxury, this 800-word full review is just for you. Let's start with the exterior design. From the front, this van makes an immediate statement. The massive chrome grille with the bold GMC badge dominates the fascia, giving it a powerful and commanding look. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, adding a futuristic touch to the aggressive styling. The white body combined with pink accent detailing creates a unique luxury identity. The custom pink fender flares and side graphics elevate its VIP appeal, making it stand out from any standard van on the road. One of the most eye-catching features is the six-wheel setup. The dual rear axle not only enhances the visual impact, but also improves stability and load balance. This configuration gives the van a heavy-duty yet premium appearance. The oversized custom alloy wheels with low-profile tires further enhance its road presence. And let's not forget the pink underglow lighting underneath the vehicle. At night, this van transforms into a rolling showpiece, glowing with style and personality. Now let's talk about performance. While exact specifications may vary depending on customization, vans in this class are often powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine producing around 400 horsepower. That kind of power ensures smooth acceleration despite the vehicle's large size and additional axle. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience is surprisingly refined. The six-wheel design contributes to improved stability at high speeds and better weight distribution. On highways, this van feels planted and secure. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and road imperfections effectively. Even on longer journeys, passengers inside will feel minimal vibration or disturbance. This is not just a luxury van, it's designed to glide over the road. Steering remains controlled and confident, though due to its extended body and extra wheels, tight city turns require more attention. However, for long-distance cruising, business travel, or VIP transport, this vehicle performs exceptionally well. It's built for comfort-first driving rather than aggressive performance. Now let's move to the highlight of this vehicle, the interior. As soon as you step inside, it feels like entering a private luxury lounge. The rear cabin is designed with a U-shaped premium leather seating arrangement. The quilted white leather upholstery gives it a first-class ambience. The stitching details and soft-touch materials show clear attention to craftsmanship. In the center, there's a sleek table with integrated pink ambient lighting underneath, perfectly matching the exterior accents. This setup makes it ideal for meetings, entertainment, or simply relaxing during travel. The LED ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a modern and elegant atmosphere, especially at night. The ceiling features a starlight-style lighting system, creating a luxury limousine vibe. Large tinted windows provide privacy while maintaining a spacious and airy feel inside. At the front of the rear cabin, there's a mounted display screen for entertainment, presentations, or media playback. This transforms the van into a mobile business suite or entertainment hub. Climate control vents are strategically placed throughout the cabin to ensure every passenger stays comfortable. The insulation inside the vehicle minimizes outside noise, giving you a quiet, peaceful environment even while driving at highway speeds. The front cockpit area maintains GMC's signature bold design language. The dashboard is wide and modern, equipped with a digital display cluster and infotainment screen. Premium materials continue throughout the cabin, ensuring consistency and luxury from front to back. Safety features in vehicles of this class typically include advanced braking systems, stability control, multiple airbags, rear-view cameras, and parking assistance systems. Given its size, these features are crucial for maintaining confidence while maneuvering. In conclusion, this six-wheel GMC luxury van is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It combines bold exterior styling, strong V8 performance, enhanced stability from the dual rear axle, and an ultra-premium lounge-style interior. Whether you're using it for executive travel, VIP transport, luxury tour, or personal indulgence, it delivers unmatched presence and comfort. This is not for someone looking for a basic van. This is for someone who wants to stand out, travel in style, and turn heads everywhere they go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this full luxury van review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more premium automotive content. See you in the next video.